Okay, so this is a quick tour of the Sonesta king size room. So as you can see, big king size bed, plenty of lamps. This is also a sofa bed that folds out to at least a single or a queen, pretty much a single. About 32-inch screen TV, remote, plenty of drawer space, table space right there, a little desk, dining desk I'm going to call it, and of course you got your ironing board and iron. Hangers, so you're good on that. Phone. Also, there's a clock. It's not clocked in, but it's there. Of course, you got coffee maker, ice, and ice bucket, some cups, so you can make coffee. You also have a refrigerator, which is, see how deep it is. It's pretty deep. So you can have your food just in case in there. And of course, you got your bathroom, your sink right here, toiletries and stuff. Got a full mirror, and then you also have a bathroom. You can open the door. You have the toilet. Lights on this side, and you have a big tub, big shower. Everything is clean, no problems. So see any problems with the room? I like it. Of course, right now the air conditioner is a little loud, but that is not a deal breaker. It's just, I'd rather have a little noise coming out of it than not having any air conditioning on. Other than that, it's a pretty big room for about maybe three people in there, 3 or 4 if possible, but decent size room. So also we've got a decent view. Alright, well, hope you like it. Just in case you were thinking about staying here. The bed is plush, so you get a good night's sleep off of it.